Hello, everyone. Thank you once again. If you are looking at your phone, tablet, or computer, do not adjust your device. What you're seeing is actually true. Ryan Reynolds has bought a stake in Mint Mobile. And to kick that off, they're giving you a 40% off on the 3-month plan, which is the 12 gigabyte plan. And if you use our promo code that we're going to attach to it, you're also going to get free shipping on your SIM card. Can it get any better than that? So first we're going to show you the announcement, and you can see it right here. And this is straight from Ryan Reynolds. I believe he tweeted this as well. While every other tech titan is off chasing rockets, I'll corner the budget-friendly wireless sector. Like most people, I only use rockets 10 to 12 times a year, but I use my mobile service every day. From Ryan Reynolds, who's the one that's actually bought a stake in Mint Mobile. So that's from his Twitter account, I believe, but they also put it on here. So just like I told you, do not adjust your internet. What you're seeing here is correct. So for those who were skeptical about Mint Mobile, go ahead and give them a try. The offer is legit. They've been around since 2016. We have personally been using them since December of 2017, going on 2 years now. Couldn't be any happier, delighted, ecstatic, tickled pink, whatever you want to call it. It's the real deal. They are using T-Mobile network, and if you see other videos that I've posted before, you will see that on my phone I'm actually showing T-Mobile on connection. So now you can get the 3-month 12 gigabyte plan to start you off for $15 a month. That's 12 gigabytes of data, $15 a month. Go ahead and give them a try. Use our promo code below, and you will also get free shipping on that SIM card. Go ahead and try them out. Please, if you have any questions, go ahead and post your comments below. We are pretty good about answering them very quickly. So thank you very much for watching. You all have a great day.